Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm just here to tell you a little bit about something I use to clean my jewelry, specifically my engagement and wedding rings, because they are constantly getting dirty just from wearing them every day. I recently went on vacation with them and just like a little bit dirty. Anytime I do my makeup or my lotion, or if I put lotion on my hands, soap, whatever the case is, it can get balled up and it kind of gets stuck inside the crevices, and this is a really great way to clean them. It's a Weiman Jewelry cleaner. Let's see what it says on here. Limited warranty to consumers, good housekeeping since 1909, replacement or refund if defective. So I think I actually bought this at a jewelry store and they recommended it to me. I've heard things in the past. This makes me a little bit nervous, but I'm sure it works, but it makes me nervous. People tell me, oh, put a little toothpaste and clean it with a toothbrush, and I don't know, that sounds a little invasive to me, and I'm just scared one of the diamonds might pop out or something if I do that, and it makes me a little nervous. I'd rather use the jewelry cleaner. So about 10 minutes ago, I put my engagement ring and wedding ring in there because they really need to be cleaned, and I'm just kind of letting them soak, and then I'm going to take them out and kind of brush them a little bit with the brush that comes in here. I just wanted to make it clear that I feel like nothing gets them cleaner than when you go to the jewelry store and they use that little machine and blow the air on the jewelry and clean it that way. Nothing will get them sparkly like that. So I'm not going to say this gets it as sparkly as the professional jewelry cleaners do, but it does a really, really great job if you just need to shine something up at home. Now, I do have a Pandora bracelet, and my girlfriend told me that she used, I don't know what jewelry cleaner she used, but she's like, I put it in jewelry cleaner, the whole bracelet, and it turned it green. So that scared me. So don't use it for your Pandora bracelet, but any kind of silver jewelry, even gold, I think would be totally fine. Let's see. Weiman Jewelry Cleaner revitalizes fine jewelry, metal, and gemstones. Recommended for gold, platinum, titanium, and precious gemstones, including diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and sapphires. Do not use on coral, ivory, amber, malachite, pearls, opal, jade, or turquoise. Very easy to use. Directions: swish jewelry in a tray and soak for no more than 30 minutes. Rinse with water, dry, and buff with a soft cloth to shine. Do not mix different colors or types of metal while cleaning. Weiman proudly supports the National Ovarian Cancer Coalition. Caution: eye irritant, contains ammonia. Avoid contact with eyes. First aid: in case of contact with eyes, flush thoroughly with water. If irritation persists, get medical attention. Keep out of reach of children. Phosphate free, a good feeling of clean, distributed by Weiman Products LLC in Gurnee, Illinois. Made in the USA. So I'm going to open up this top. What was it's 7 ounces, 207 milliliters. Caution: eye irritant. Let's open it up. Show you guys. It's like a blue color. Comes with this little tray with the brush. So I'm just kind of leaving it soaking in here. Now I'm actually gonna take it out of here. So I'm gonna rinse this out real quick. Gets it pretty clean and sparkly. So this is my engagement ring. Feels a little slimy, so you definitely have to rinse it out, and you could use the brush, this little brush right here that came with the jewelry cleaner, and you could kind of scrub gently in between the diamonds to just kind of get it extra clean, but it looks totally better than it did before. It's getting a little bit dull and dirty just from everyday life. So that's the wedding band, and that's the engagement ring. So I think it did a pretty good job cleaning it, if you ask me. Just got to dry it and it should be good to go. You can see how sparkly it got just from using the cleaner. So I definitely recommend that. I mean, I'm sure most people have jewelry in their homes for the most part, and I definitely recommend this is something you have on hand. And it's just, if you go to an event, say you have a wedding coming up or something, you want to have your ring and jewelry looking as sparkly and clean as possible, and maybe just to go to work. It doesn't have to be for an event, but I know for me, if I'm going to a wedding or or an engagement party or some type of event, I really would like my jewelry to be as shiny as possible. And this totally helps, and it's so easy to use. I love it, and I'm so glad I have it on hand in the house for whenever I need it. And lasts for a super long time. I've had this for 2 years, and look how much I have left. And I use it, I would say, a couple times a month. So it's a Weiman Jewelry Cleaner. I hope you guys try it, and I hope it works for you. Thanks for watching.